Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this video we will be talking about the requirements in applying as deck cadet. Here are the important documents that maritime cadets need to prepare prior applying for one-year cadetship program. 8 days training comprises about the safety of life at sea, SOLAS, which include personal survival techniques, PST, fire prevention and firefighting, FPFF, elementary first aid, EFA, and personal safety and social responsibilities, PSSR, with practical demonstration on the last day. 1-day training about security awareness and designated duties in the event of threat on international ships and port facility services, ISPS. Consolidated MARPOL Annexes IV. 6 days training about the prevention of marine pollution due to oil, noxious substance, hazardous materials, garbage, sewage and air. 4 days training about the duties of the deck or engine ratings to have a safe watch keeping on bridge or engine room. Basic document for Filipino citizen issued by National Statistics Office, NSO. Seaman visa clearance issued by National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. Basic document for every seafarer issued by Maritime Industry Authority, MARINA. Registration mandated by Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, POEA. Before we proceed to the main part of this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell below so that you will be notified to all of my videos. Vaccination required by Bureau of Quarantine, BOQ, before traveling abroad, particularly Africa. Certificate issued by MARINA after the BT completion. Certificate issued by MARINA after the SSAT, SDSD completion. Basic travel document issued by the Department of Foreign Affairs, DFA, to legitimate Filipino citizens in order to travel abroad. Academic records of performance issued by Maritime School. Certificate issued by Commission on Higher Education, CHED. Registration number issued by SSS. Brief summary of your personal information, skills, trainings, working experience and objective in life. The above important documents are very essential for you to succeed in your seafaring career, and you should bear in your mind that all things possible as you start your successful international journey. If you want to know more about marine life, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and we'll see you next week.